For what's tunnel for Corpocan?
Yeah.
We are entering tunnel. So let's go, guys. I think we have been before here, right? Last time when we go to
Yeah.
ano. Oh, sa lalim kami ng tunnel, guys. So dark. Oh, baka may zombie. Oh my gosh, look.
Zombie?
Actually here it's like parang I remember the movie that zombies and that's 28 days, right? That the people running here and the zombies coming from the road. Like coming like this, like this, and just catching the car. But actually it's not too long, right? It's a short tunnel.
The
only.
longest one in there in Fujairah.
Fujairah, right?
Yeah.
I remember people going too long, yeah.
Near Seas Park.
Yeah. So we're just reaching the city. So this is my second vlog because we're done with my I'm done with my Halaka Beach vlog.
Hindi halaka. Halaka.
Halaka talaga siya din. So what is this? This is what, a hotel or what?
The apartments.
Apartments.
Villa type. Very
Okay.
expensive.
Why?
Monthly day rent. Monthly rent available.
Oh my
Like a day rent,
gosh.
it will cost around 5,000 to 6,000 around.
A day?
Day, yeah.
No need. Bye.
This depends
So this
on
is
the-
very expensive because we're not going to vlog because
And
we
then
cannot
there is
afford.
also coffee shop. You can sit outside. You can while drinking this near to the sea.
Yeah.
For government house, right?
That
No,
one?
it's private.
No, private.
Private.
Yeah.
So
You can rent. You
by
can
the way,
have a
guys, we're
rental.
heading to which places?
Corfocan.
No, the fountain.
Fountain Corfocan.
We're going to for Corfocan
Yeah.
City.
City?
City, this one, no.
Corfocan City, yeah.
For Corfocan to see the artificial fountain is in the highway. Diba? So actually, how many minutes from here to Corfocan?
Unat bend mo yan.
No, now already inside.
Inside the Corfocan. Just
Yeah,
near, right?
Now Cornish side.
So guys, little maybe 5 minutes.
Yeah.
We'll
Not
arrive.
5 minutes, even 2 minutes.
2 minutes to arrive at our
Yes, that
destination. The artificial fountain. So here in Corfocan, Fujairah. So we are in the city right now. So not city in Corfocan. So not quite same as Ras Al Khaimah. So small city here, and they have also KFC and
Pizza Hut,
Pizza Hut. Where? O nga pala, Pizza Hut.
Hardee's.
Where? Hardest. Walang harvest.
Oh.
I came there before. I thought beside.
They have a restaurant now open inside.
Really?
Yeah,
Inside?
inside the
So we have to
mountain.
go there. We have to walk there from the fountain.
Same room, right?
We have
Yeah.
oh my god, masakit.
Same room.
You know, Khalid, I have my period today. Oh, shame.
Same room mo.
Aray, natatay ako
Para ka
doon.
nasa Romania.
Yeah. So we're going there, guys. So we're going to park there or here.
I need to put now parking because now all not.
You have to walk together with us because I'm scared because I'm virgin.
Kabayan po.
Ayan ang mga kabayan, nagtututuwad.
Hello everyone, we're here at the Fujairah that I told you before. It's man-made fall. So we reached here already and we have to go to walk around here. And since you can see nobody's here because it's summertime here. But since I need to cover this video, so even so it's hot, but it's manageable by the way, guys. So let's go and check around here in a man-made falls in Fujairah. By the way, guys, today that's why you cannot see a lot of people here because it's hot summertime. This time here in Dubai, in Fujairah, in UAE rather. Then that's why you cannot see a lot of people. But last year I just visit here, the month of November. So a lot of people coming here. They take picture, photo, and some people are sitting here because it's not hot. But today, you know that it's summertime here. But let's go around. Let's take around here at the man-made falls. By the way, guys, I forgot to tell you that the side of the right side of this place, and you walk on the right, so going there straight, the right side is the beach in there in Fujairah. and in the middle is the highway. So this is man-made falls, guys. So because falls in the highway actually. So let's go and check around and we'll see how beautiful this man-made falls here. See you.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
Buti hindi siya mainit ngayon, no? It's not hot today. Not really hot today. So, ayan. We're in the fountain. Living fountain. Oh, wow. Oh my God. Oh, dito tayo. Ayan. Oh, kitang-kita nyo ngayon, guys. The artificial fountain of Sohai. 360. Pak, ganon. 360. Oh, yan. Oh, diba? So, ngayon, pupunta naman tayo doon sa ano, parang Rome. Yung parang Rome. So, let's go there. This is some actually, I've not been there. So, we'll have to try to visit this place. Teka muna. I don't know kung may bayad. They not know if they have entrance fee. Ma'am, we have to wait for Jessa. Ang sarap ng ng tubig, guys. Maano siya, malamig na diba? Ang init. Akala mo na sa ano ka? Akala mo na sa bundok, pero wala na, dito ka lang sa city. And look at my back, kasi siya? Yan, highway po yan. And the other side is yung dagat. So let's go here. This is, and ang sarap tumambay dito, guys. Oh, parang feeling mo na sa sa bundok, sa yung forest, and diba? Bongga, diba? Nangangamoy araw na tayo. Punta tayo doon. So, actually, just during winter time, there's a lot of people here during winter time. But for now, it's summer. But not too much. Today's not hot, I know. It's not hot today. So, okay lang. Pero mostly, yung pinakamaraming tao talaga, winter time, during winter time. Because summer pa ngayon dito eh. So, but it's okay, diba? It's very nice. It's a fountain. And, Miss Jessa. Ayan. Let's go to the Ma'am Shi. There, sa room. We're going to the room. Actually, first time ko rin dito. Actually, nakita ko na before to sa sa vlog ng isang vlogger. But, ayun, Italia. Room. Yeah, we're just going inside there, guys. You can see. As you can see? Bakit? Ano nang bawal? We'll see. I will check there. Okay. So, let's go, guys. We'll check. Baka bawal. So, daan ka rin. Sa may harang, di ba? Walang harang. So, it means allowed. Oh, ang ganda niya, guys. Promise. We're here. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda ng niya. So, kailangan, di ba? Sabi lang, kineme lang yung puntahan namin. Hindi kami pumunta. Pumunta kami. Guys, sus ko, ang dami kong sakripisyo dahil nalaglag pa ko lang sa Halaka Beach. Yan, bago ka nang karating dito. Ang ganda niya, guys. Promise. Alam na, utot ako. Pwede siya, ma'am. You take photo na rin. O, diba? Para siyang nasa room. Oh, no! Ayan. Wala, ngarag na ako ngayon. Pasok lang inside, guys. Ayan ang hindi pwedeng sa loob, dyan sa loob po pumasok, pero pwede dito. So we can see, as you can see only here. So clean. This is, diba? And you can see out there, ang ganda tingnan. Magano, wala din bawal pag walang ano. So guys, may camera din pala siya. Di pag bawal may harang yan. Ang yan tulad na nakasarado, bawal pumasok sa loob. Pero ganito, it's open, walang problema. Yeah, look in the look at the sa tabi siya ng road. Tumutulo na namin dugo. Yan.
5 minutes later.
Here. Pwede ko sila Italy. So that's closed, Ma'am Shi. Closed, right? Yeah. Evening, it's nice here.
Kasi yung ilaw.
Yeah. So by the way, evening kasi malano na siya. I think magiro sa gitna. Sarado rin kasi. Yung bawal kasi nakasarado siya. So you cannot go inside. Suppose it's nice. Para siyang meron siyang parang stage ay ginagawa pa rin hanggang ngayon pala. Yeah. But you can see, ang ganda niya, ma'am. Ang ganda niya, Ang ganda sa loob. Yeah. Yeah. We can come here. Ang ganda rin doon, Yeah. Buti nakasang-black ako, day. Dandahan, baka maging Alaka Beach ka ulit dito. Wala namang beach na. So guys, ang ganda. Actually, it's like before I remember parang bundok lang to dati eh. Then they make like this here. It's long time ago. First time ako nagpunta last alang year na yun, matagal na. Wala pa yan. That's all, guys. Since mainit pa, alas 5 na pero mainit pa rin dito ngayon. So ito yung Corfocan Pogera, guys. So we can see the nice place. Ito yung so Italian. Yung para siyang Rome, seem like Rome. If you can see that. Yeah, this one. Maganda siya. So yan ang Then the second yung kanilang fountain, yung artificial fountain. Magkatabi lang siya, guys. But how to get here is take a car. We will take a car lift. It takes like 1 hour and 20 minutes. From Alaka Beach going here, it's like 20 minutes siya. So hindi ganun kalayo. So actually dapat marami pa akong gagawin sa Alaka Beach, kaso lang nadulas na ako. So nagkaroon ako ng Bloody Mary. So stop that, kasi yun sabi kasi pag once the place na may nangyari sa you have to don't continue kasi baka meron pang sumunod doon. So stop that or at least meron akong doon. But for now here in Corfocan, artificial fountain, medyo okay naman kasi wala siyang naka-plain yung daanan namin. Walang hassle. At saka tingnan mong paligid namin. Siya, malawak siya. Tsaka hindi siya busy, guys. And at saka tingnan mo na, I show you the other side of this place.
Hi again, everyone. Thank you. And that's all for today. That's all for today. And I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa aking vlog ngayon. And I just shared to you this man-made falls. And I have a discrepancy on my video because I forgot to tell. I just forgot to tell that this is not fountain. It's man-made falls. But in the others video that I told you, I'll continue saying that fountain. That I'm so sorry for that. That's correct it right now. So I'm sorry for that because nobody's perfect. By the way, this is my second vlog on my Pujera's vlogs. First is Alaka Beach, and so there's something happened to me there, and I'm not able to continue to go there because I was fall down in the rocks. So by the way, guys, here in Made Falls, and the other one, um it's like a room, but it's like, you cannot may parang ginaya lang siya, but it's still here in UAE. So thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoy with this video, and I promise to give you a good video soon on when I make a full time blogger in the future. And thank you so much, and see you soon. Bye bye.
Be